that's going to come down if this wind keeps up, either the tower or that 6-band. I'm confident if that 6-bander was not up there, I'd have no issues, but we're supposed to get up to 70 mile-an-hour winds. Man, this is crazy, this wind. Here's a look at the toilet bowl, what we're contending with. All because of rains the last few years. I planted this like 3 times, and if the grass would have taken, this would be just fine. There wouldn't be any problem in here. See if I can walk over there and show you a little closer. Nice big gully here. Huge. And it all starts right here on top. I've tried to pile a berm here 2 or 3 times. As you could see, the grade was actually pretty mild here when we started this toilet bowl project. But I'm going to show you one of the fixes that I tried here over the last couple of years here in just a sec. To look at my water bridge from the bottom here, I'm just hitting them with fertilizer quick, so that'll at least slow it down a little where we might have a chance. I see rain in the distance, so hopefully we'll get just a little tonight, but I definitely need something more permanent. So this is on my list. I mean, up here it's just fine. You could see that, you know, where the weeds and that are rooted, it's holding up fairly well. So it's on the to-do list. Try and get this secured. So Mrs. Kapper has been out with her wildlife photography, so I snagged some of her overflow files here just to give you a little sneak peek in some wildlife. We're getting closer to spring. It's almost here, so let's enjoy a little wildlife and then back to the rest of the vlog.
Oh, look at that. I think they're both lonely. At least they're not afraid of each other. Let's see if the goose comes any closer.
So in mornings we have kind of coffee chat with some of the local guys. It's quite fun, you know. We get on in the morning and the evening on 2 meters and just enjoy bantering back and forth. That's Uncle Ken right there. So Ken, did you have to go to the hospital when you got them 23 hornet stings?
Yeah, they wasn't hornets. They were yellow jackets. Yeah, I did. I had to go to the hospital. They gave me a shot. Yeah.
Okay, so this is why I was not in the aviation field in the Marine Corps. Here I am. I'm switching up the I'm attaching the outer end of my antenna switcher to switch 5 different antennas for the ham radio. And I did the upstairs one, and I took several pictures of the colors here so I can match them up, but the lighting is poor down here. I just grabbed a flashlight and my wife is busy right now, so I might just have to take a guess. Some of these wires are really close colors. It was kind of funny. They wanted me to be in aviation in the Marine Corps. I passed the aptitude test, but I couldn't pass the color test. So we'll see how this goes. Jaw jacking on
I'm gonna move this here microphone here to a different setting. Did that go down any right there when I moved it back to 500 ohm?
10.
Right, now we got the extra double checking on me, but I think I got it right.
You got it.
That's how you cheat with a cell phone these days. You blow it up nice and big.
For the old eyes. Should be it.
Alright. The jet would not have crashed if I worked on this one. Okay, we got that back together. Moving along. And as usual, thank you for watching and joining us on our country adventures. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and consider sharing us on your social media. And until next time, stay tuned. Kapper Outdoors.